Upgrading. Packing technology. Now made affordable. Summit's Hygronics Private Limited, based in Coimbatore, is a 30 years expert in manufacturing nitrogen gas generators. In our modern and growing population, packed foods are a part of our everyday needs. Hence, providing healthy snacks or foods manufactured under stringent quality standards and packed in a hygienic way is our prime responsibility. Modified atmosphere packing technology, with the support of nitrogen gas, plays a key role here and meets the basic food quality standards. Buying nitrogen cylinders from the local market has been followed for many years, but unfortunately, this increases your end product costs, and it has many other challenges also. The challenges in getting nitrogen cylinders from the market. No safety, as N2 is stored at high pressure 140 bar and above. Needs skilled manpower for operation. Recurring expenses every day. More inventory cost. Increased CO2 emissions. Hence, nitrogen gas cylinders are not the right choice. Our MAP offers solution. How MAP works. Air from the compressor passes through a set of micron filters and a carbon tower. The micron filters are equipped with high-efficiency filter cartridges that remove all moisture and dust particles present in the compressed air, while the carbon tower removes the oil content. This process purifies the compressed air, which is then stored in the air tank. The pure air from the air tank passes through PSA Tower A. Both towers A and B are filled with superior quality CMS. When the air passes through Tower A, the CMS absorbs all oxygen molecules present in the air and leaves only nitrogen molecules. This pure nitrogen is stored in the storage tank, and now nitrogen gas is ready for use. After a prefixed time frame, the air going to Tower A is diverted to Tower B, and Tower B starts producing nitrogen gas. At the same time, the oxygen molecules absorbed during the previous cycle in Tower A are removed by opening a vent valve connected at the bottom of the tower, making Tower A ready for the next operation. Thus, we get pure nitrogen gas continuously. This entire process is carried out automatically by a pre-programmed timer and control circuit. The solid benefits of MAP. Lowest investment and easy and highly economical maintenance. MAP needs just small space nearer to your packing machine, width 350 mm, depth 650 mm, and height 830 mm. MAP delivers nitrogen gas continuously with 99 to 99.5% purity. MAP is fully automatic. MAP has an auto shut-off facility and gets switched off when the packing process is completed. Typically, the investment on MAP can be availed back in 3 to 6 months' time maximum. How to install MAP. MAP is a ready-to-fit product and is easy to install. Just place the MAP in between the air compressor and your packing machine, connect the air compressor at the inlet of the MAP, connect your packing machine at the outlet provided on the backside of the MAP, and connect the power cable to a single-phase 230 voltage, 50 Hz supply. Now your MAP is ready to use. MAP displays inlet air pressure and nitrogen gas pressure continuously. Let us upgrade our packaging technology with MAP. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with Summit's Hygronics today for experts assistance.